The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for Stanley County in central North Carolina until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:16 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Albemarle, Baden Lake, Plyler, Locust, Norwood, Baden, Oakboro, Stenfield, Richfield, New London, Finger, Lake Tillery, and Morrow Mountain State Park. This includes the following frequently flooded locations: Town Creek between Main St. and Snuggs Road, Memory Creek at Main St. Town Creek at Bethany Road, Little Long Creek at Old Charlotte Road, Long Creek at Kingsley Drive, and west, Main St. Melcher Branch at Ridge St. and Tully Branch at Corbin St. Turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.